Hey everybody, James Scarlett here. Just want to walk through the shop and show you what we have available for quick delivery yet this year. In spite of everything that's been going on, the supply chain's a mess, but we've got a lot of pre-owned machines that are still available to take advantage of Section 179. So let's just do a walk around. We've got a homemade edge bander here, a demo saw stop, bunch of saw stops in stock in general, brand new, as well as demo. Over here, we've got a older Thermwood that just came in, came out of service running. As you can see, it's a little bit older, definitely an older operating system on it. So it might need a little TLC to get that going. We're walking by a Whining KM310 movable saw that just came in. So that's available for quick delivery. We've got a bunch of demo Niederman dust collector units in stock, as well as brand new ones. Those are available immediately. We've got a 145G that's available. That one probably needs a little bit of work. I don't know if that's available to go right now. That just came in, and so that needs some TLC and to be fixed up a little bit. What else? An old molder. I think that's an H23C. So that's ready to go as well. As you can see, again, plenty of dust collection units. Not only Niederman, but Belfab as well. Another used Onsrud available. Unimat Gold. Couple of grinders, an R950 as well as an R960 grinder ready to go. And I think that's about it. Yeah, so call us. Happy to do some demos on any of these machines, and we've got forklifts. We can get these shipped out as soon as next week, this week, whenever. So thanks.